They're all up in the sky in the trees. They don't want your berries?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that was so nice to try and give it to a birdie. That was very kind.
I picked it. Did these come from an apple tree?
No, it came from a vine.
From apple vine.
More of a wild berry vine. What colors are the berries?
They're red. That one, that green.
Yeah, what about that one? What's that one?
Yellow.
Ah, I think you're right. It looks yellow to Mommy, too.
They don't look green. See that?
That's nice. They're kind of pretty colors, aren't they?
I don't want to eat them, birdie them.
Yeah, they're not for us to eat.
I don't want to pick this one. I'm out here with my berries. This one.
One? Can you count them?
4.
There are 4. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I'm going to give these to a bird.
Okay.
And eat his berries.
Those birdies might be hungry for berries.
I got them.
Okay.
Here, just eat off the table.
Okay. That's nice.
And then just eat these. Then, birdie, come here and eat your breakfast. I want to birdie eat the breakfast.
Well, maybe they already had breakfast. Maybe they're waiting for dinner.
Come here, birdie. Where's my leaf, Mama?
You left it by the back door.